Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new week. This vlog is gonna be just me taking care of myself, everything that I can do to feel better, because honestly speaking the past month was hectic. When I say hectic, that is probably an understatement. But today I am going to get a fresh set of nails. I also have to get my pedicure done. मुझे अपने like feet की nail paint भी change करवानी है. इस वक्त वो red है, so I want to get more of a neutral color, and मुझे waxing भी करवानी है. So this is just gonna be like a relaxing day, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I honestly don't know what to wear. I'm thinking this because it's actually the sun's out, so I might wear this, and I'll wear this with my trousers. This shirt is from House of Gulab. They had sent it last year, and this is from Zara. Let me pop this on and let's see how I feel about this fit. This is how it's looking. It's pretty cute. It's got fishes all over, but I've just realized that there's a mark over here. This probably needs a wash, so we're switching outfits. You know what? Let's pop this dress on. मैंने last year ली थी, एक बारी पहनी है, so let's wear this midi dress today. Okay, this is how the dress looks like. But पीछे you can still see through my straps. So we have to go in with this today. This is from Bearwear, and this is nipple covers. And what I really like about this is it's great for bigger chested girls, because look at the size of this. It's quite big. So I'm going to pop this on, and this is how it looks like. Honestly, this dress is quite supportive over here. For my bag, I was actually thinking this bag. Now I don't know whether it'll go with this. A part of me wants to wear this with this. They are from West Side. Okay, I think so this will look very cute with this. So let's go in with these. Honestly speaking, I would love to keep my hair down today with this, but I don't want to style my hair, so I think so a bun would be lovely. And I ordered this bun, a fake bun rubber band thing from Niche Hair, and you guys, it's so good. Okay, it literally blends so nicely with my hair, so I think so I'm just gonna wear this today. I will quickly do my makeup. Okay, if you're thinking of getting the Tirtir cushion foundation, मैं बोलूँगी definitely go for it. This is a ये मतलब मेरा ये almost ख़त्म हो गया है. I love the coverage that it gives me, and it's just stunning. Halka sa I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I will be using my Benetint, and I am ready. Gonna finish everything with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I've just popped in chota sa ye necklace, heart necklace, and I am ready. Yeah, this is the fit, and I have red toenails, so gonna change that. जो मेरा LV का Neverfull है, उसके साथ ये pouch आया था. I have converted it into like a crossbody bag, and I also have my Labubu with me. Ideally, I would have loved open hair with this, but this bun, we just made do with this bun. Also, let me share with you my perfume choice. I'm wearing Burberry Goddess today, so let's spray this on. Let's go. Hey guys, it's a brand new day and I got my nails done yesterday and I got this cat eye nails done in this pink color. It's very pretty. मैं कल दिखा नहीं पाई थी because काफ़ी late हो गया था घर आते आते. And I also got this silverish color on my feet. So yesterday was all self-care. Today is actually Lakshya's birthday and we are not doing anything at all this year because उसे अभी रेस्ट बोला है डॉक्टर ने करने को. So we're not going anywhere out. घर पे खाना बन रहा है आज. I've just had the cake delivered and it's a very cute cake. तो मैं अभी दिखाती हूँ. And mom is also here. Hello. Hello बोलो लोग को. बोलता है पहले. Hello. Speaking of Lakshya's gift, abhi when we'll go back to Chandigarh and when he's in a position that we can go to a mall or whatever, then I want him to pick whatever he likes. Probably Onitsuka Tiger ki backless sliders he likes, that or Birkenstocks. We shall see. But abhi cake काटते हैं. So this is the cake you guys. मैंने जो रेफरेंस दिया था ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग इससे बेटर बन सकता था इन द सेंस कि ये क्रूकेड लाइन मुझे दिख रही है, ये भी इतना क्यूट नहीं है. मैंने ये पिंक के बदले इफ़ दिस वुड हैव बीन ब्लैक और समथिंग वो ज़्यादा क्यूट लगता बिकॉज पिंक थोड़ा सा फेमिनिन है. बट लक्ष्य इज़ नॉट वेरी मच ऑफ अ कि आई डोंट लाइक पिंक सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन. तो ये रेड वेलवेट मैंने करवाया है बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड अ रेड वेलवेट केक फॉर हिज बर्थडे. आप कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
मैं तो कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहूँ.
हाँ
मैं क्या बोलूँ. बर्थडे विश ने सुबह दे दी उठ के लक्ष्य को.
हाँ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Lakshay. Happy birthday to you.
कैचू को बनाया कैचू 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 कैचू. मेरी किलो से देख रही हो.
इस सिर में क्या है ये?
Happy birthday dear Lakshay.
सबसे पहले इसकी बाजू काटो.
Like I said, you guys, when Lakshya will feel a little bit better, I want to take him to the mall and he can buy whatever he wants to buy. But as filler gifts, मैंने एक perfume order किया था लक्ष्य के लिए from Zara. Zara perfumes are so affordable and this is called Blue Temptation. I loved it and I'm so happy that Lakshya also really like it. One of my friends, Bhabhi, runs this small business which is called Rang by Nirupama. She makes these beautiful customized hand-painted illustrations. मैं फ़ोटो यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी so that you can get a reference. But this personalized gift was just something which was lovely. Good morning you guys, it is a brand new day and okay you guys, I have spent the morning editing a video. It's a jewelry haul which is live on my channel. I will link that video over here. बहुत ही cute pieces, affordable pieces उस video में मैंने share किए हैं. So definitely check it out. But today I am actually heading to Chandigarh. From the past 1 year especially, I have not been able to go anywhere unless and until पेरेंट्स में कोई हो लक्ष्य के साथ. एंड बिकॉज वी आर मोस्टली इन चंडीगढ़ और शिमला में अगर है तो ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं एवरी वीक टू चंडीगढ़. ओके, सो विद हिज मेडिकेशन एंड एवरीथिंग इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू गो एनीवेयर. बट दिस वीक आई एम फ्री एंड आई हैव गॉटन थोड़ा सा टाइम. प्लान ये है, आज मैं जा रही हूँ चंडीगढ़. आई वांट टू गेट समथिंग डन टू माई हेयर, सो मे बी ओलाप्लेक्स ट्रीटमेंट. एंड टुमारो आई एम एक्चुअली गोइंग टू दिल्ली टू मीट अदिति. So I'll be staying with her and परसों I will come back and then उसके next day I will come back to Shimla. शिमला में 1-2 दिन होके and then I have to take Lakshay back to Chandigarh for his appointment. So I've gotten 1 week की window for myself. Once I'm done with my editing, I'm just gonna pack and get ready. And I was not wearing this dress सुबह से. I was actually सुबह मैं देख रही थी कि मैं क्या ले जा सकती हूँ. And I saw this dress. I got this dress from Sarojini. मैं अपनी आज की outfit देख रही थी. So I was just figuring out what to wear. So I'm gonna just work now and I will see you once I am ready and all packed. Okay you guys, I am back home. सबसे पहले I picked out my dry cleaning on the way. जब हम शिमला गए थे कुछ दिन पहले तो मैंने ना curtains dry cleaning के लिए दे दिए थे and they are back. तब तक मैंने पुरानी bed sheets ऐसे लगाई थी इधर. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll put the curtains back on. She had kept all of these. There are some Amazon packages. Nykaa से भी मैंने कुछ चीज़ें मंगवाई है and H&M से भी मंगवाई है. So let's open the H&M वाला box. Okay, so this is what I got from H&M. इसमें काफ़ी सारे कलर्स अवेलेबल थे बट मुझे ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. To give you an idea, this is how it looks like. However, this is definitely not the place for this painting. ये बाहर जाएगी. Painting will go over there, you guys. But just to show you, this is how it looks like. I really like it. It's simple and it's lovely. This was the first thing that I got from H&M. The second thing that I got from them is this dressing gown. Okay, मुझे ना honestly speaking मुझे ये इसका कलर थोड़ा सा different लग रहा है. On the website it looked different and it's creased right now, so ये इतना flattering नहीं लग रहा है. But this is like a floor length dressing gown. 2700 इसका प्राइस है. थोड़ा सा इस पर 10% I think so I got off and मैंने ये large size में लिया है. Okay, one of my guilty pleasures is to collect dressing gown. Just for demonstration purpose I'm wearing this on top of my dress only. I love the length of this. It's full length and large just fits perfectly on me because I'm a heavy chested girl. And dressing gown ना थोड़े से oversize ही अच्छे लगते हैं. When I'm out of the shower I love putting stuff like this, or when I'm getting ready, when I'm filming beauty content, then also this will come in handy. I definitely need to do something about lighting when it comes to this house. I've also gotten a Nykaa package and Amazon package. You know what, I'm gonna open this all in daylight so that you can see everything nicely और lighting भी थोड़ी सी better हो. Right now time I don't know, time almost 9 बज रहे हैं. I want to have my dinner, sleep. It's a few days later. I thought before I end the vlog I should show you everything that I've ordered from Amazon and Nykaa. Nykaa say I placed an order for a few things, so let's unbox it. Okay, first thing that I got is this eyelash definer. This looks something like this. This is great when you get clumps apni eyelashes mein. Next, let's open this. Oh, okay. Oh, so I've gotten 2 freebies. This is the newest L'Oreal shampoo. I'm actually very excited to try this. And advanced night repair from Estee Lauder. Iska sample size. I love this serum, but it's too expensive. Moving on to the thing that I actually ordered. It's this HOCL spray. like a face and body spray. Now if you're somebody who gets a lot of acne, if you work out a lot, you travel a lot in public transportation, and you get that thing कि यार यहाँ से ना मुझे acne हो जाएगा, something like this is great. This helps fight acne, reduces redness and inflammation, जो मुझे actually बहुत है, like I have red sensitive skin. इसके सिर्फ 3 ingredients है, water, sodium chloride and hypochlorous acid. This is how it looks like. Okay, so the mist is also very fine. So after your workout, you can just spritz this on your face. If you are somebody who gets acne a lot, you know, when you work out in the gym, or even like when I'm traveling in trains and stuff like that, I can just spray this all over and I'll be good to go. So 150 ml ye hai. So very excited to try this. Oh, okay, इसमें भी free thing है, foaming cleanser from CeraVe. I love CeraVe के cleansers and even moisturizers. Okay, 2 new launches that I was very excited. Actually एक और है. These are new launches that I'm very excited to try. I will do a video very soon where I will test it out. This one is the biggest launch of this year from Maybelline. This is their, what is it even called? Bubble mascara? Colossal Bubble? Yeah. Colossal Bubble Mascara. So Colossal range mein hi they've expanded it and made this mascara which is more current. Excited about trying this. Tinted SPFs mein I love the dotted key one. This new Strawberry Bright 10% niacinamide new launch. I'm actually very excited to be trying this. Oh, I love the packaging, glass bottle hai, and it's got these rivets over here which is so beautiful. So this is how this serum looks like. And the last thing that I got you guys, I am so excited to be trying this foundation. This is from K Beauty. This is the newest launch. I got this in the shade 105 light. This is their Hydro Cloud Cushion Foundation. I tried cushion foundation for the first time this year, and that is the Tirtir one. Absolutely love it. Mini size मेरे पास है, वो almost खत्म हो चुका है. I'm gonna invest in the bigger one, but I will buy it in the sale time. And अभी recently K Beauty came out with this, so I have very high hopes from this cushion foundation. This is how it looks like. This is a very typical K Beauty packaging. Okay, it's quite thick. Of course, it comes with a sponge. Sponge has a very unique shape. It's not round, but ये pointy है यहाँ से, which I think so is great. It's actually genius when it comes to like under the eye आपको कुछ करना हो. This is how it looks from the inside. I will not remove and show it abhi because I want to do like a dedicated first impression about this. So stay tuned for that and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I know a lot of you watch my videos but you're not subscribed. What are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, come back for more. If you like the video, if you enjoy my videos, you should be subscribed to my channel, so make sure that you're subscribed, okay? But yeah, very excited to be trying this out. So you guys, this is all that I got from Nykaa, mainly to review and stuff like that, and I was excited about these products. Now what I'm gonna do is, now let's move on to the home stuff. मैंने बहुत ही random basic चीजें order की Amazon से, so let's do a Amazon home haul now. Okay, first up I got these covers for my sofa. Now I bought my sofa in this yellow color velvety material में back in 2019, okay, when I was living in Delhi. जब मैं Delhi छोड़ा, I came back to Chandigarh, तो मैंने इस वाले घर पे वो sofas रखवा दिए because this house was unfurnished at that point. And तब से वो yellow नहीं रहा है, it's turned dirty yellow and it's just gross to look at. I don't want to put so much money in the sofa and all of that, so I thought a cover is a great idea. So I got मेरे पास एक 2-seater सोफ़ा है, एक 3-seater है, so I got respectively उसके लिए. So I got this in a white color because I like that vibe and I am like कि चलो इसको आप आराम से machine wash कर सकते हो. We will definitely put this on my sofa so you'll see it better. So it has this kind of vibe all over and नीचे ये frill detailing आता है and I'm actually quite impressed because reviews में कईयों के सोफे पे अच्छा लग रहा था, कईयों के सोफे पे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, but I think so this will just look lovely in my living room and I'm very excited for this. So this one is the 2-seater one. Of course I got the 3-seater one also. ये by the way brand है House of Quirk. This is the universal stretchable sofa cover. Okay, let's move on to the next thing that I got and I know इसके अंदर क्या है. For the sofa only, I wanted 20 by 20 के cushion. I will of course leave a link to everything in the description box. वो check out कर लेना. Okay, then let's move on to the next thing, which I definitely know ये क्या है. Duvet cover. Ooh, so it's a king size thing. The quality also looks nice. Everything is like bedding related. Then I just got white pillow covers, so they're just your standard size. I like to have white या pink, grey, nude उस type की bed sheets. So I got this one. I completely forgot. I got a fitted bed sheet. So this is a fitted bed sheet. However, the material of this is quite sucked. Maybe wash karke this will be better. So I just wash this first before I use it. But this is one of those fitted bed sheets, and it comes with a pillow cover. Now I have 4. What I'm gonna do now is set up the sofa. Okay guys, I tried to do my best. पहले मैंने उल्टा लगाया था, but I think so it's looking a little bit better. And I can just cover it with cushion covers. Let me show you. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. I like how this looks. Now I just need to sort this bit out. This is so white right now that cream is actually looking dirty with this. By the way, all of these pillow covers are from Ikea. And over here also, ये boucle one is from Ikea, and ये मैंने D-Mart से लिए थे, under 100 rupees I think. So yeah, very happy with how this is looking.